Hi everyone, welcome back to Essy Cooks. In this video, we're going to be making a banana bread baked oatmeal. So this takes only about 5 minutes to prepare, and then you just have to wait for it to bake in the oven. It is so perfect for meal prep because you can prep this so easily and eat it all week long for breakfast. If you love oatmeal and you love banana bread, you're going to love this one. So let's get started. We're going to go really fast because it's pretty fast to put this together. So we're going to start with two large ripe bananas. We're going to throw these right into a 6x9 baking dish, and we're going to mash them up. Now make sure to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because that's how we're going to be baking it, and we want that preheating while we're prepping. So I'm mashing up those bananas really nicely, like I said, in a 6x9 baking dish. Everything goes right into the dish. So a teaspoon of vanilla, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 3 tablespoons of ground flax seeds. If you want, you can use chia seeds instead. That's totally fine. It is up to you. Some nice fiber and omegas in there. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 scoops of vanilla protein powder, but this is totally optional. If you don't want to add protein powder, that's fine. You don't have to add it in, but it does add a really nice little boost of protein. And then I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of natural peanut butter. You can use almond butter instead or cashew butter if you like. I'm going to add that directly in, and now I'm going to add 2 cups of soy milk, but any plant milk will work. The reason I chose soy milk is because it has 8 grams of protein per serving. So why not, for me, why not get in some extra protein in my oatmeal bake? And I don't taste the difference. Soy milk tastes very good in here, but like I said, use whatever milk you like in there. Now, since I added protein powder, I need to whisk it really thoroughly because I do not want to hit a chunk of that protein powder because that is nasty. But if you're not, just give it a nice stir. Don't worry too much. Just make sure that you're stirring in the corners and everything is mixed in really nicely so that, we're not going to hit any lumps of anything. Okay, now this is an oatmeal bake, so of course we're going to add in some oats. You can add 2 cups of either rolled oats or quick oats, whatever you like, whatever you have. This is just so simple to put together, and that's what I love about it. I make oatmeal bakes all the time because if you're looking for something that you can just make ahead so you can make sure you're having breakfast or snack or whatever, it's easier than making muffins, honestly, like a healthy muffin, because we're just putting it all in one pan, which is what I love. But you can do whatever you like. Okay, now 1/2 cup of dark chocolate chips. I'm going to stir them right in, and then because I wanted it to look nice, I'm going to sprinkle some more dark chocolate chips right on top, evenly on top, just to, honestly, for looks. No other reason. I just love the look. And now we are going to pop that into the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. So just check it, make sure it's cooked all the way through. Usually for me, that's around the 38-minute mark. And look at the final result. I store it in the fridge. You can totally reheat it. You can eat it hot. You can serve it to a group. Like, say, if you're having people over for breakfast, you want to make something really fast, they like oatmeal. This is the way to do it. So fast, so easy. I hope you love this video. Please let me know in the comments and hit like and subscribe if you want more like this.